smartphone, the OnePlus 6T, a souped-up version of the excellent OnePlus 6. With the handset expected to be unveiled in little over a fortnight, the leaks are coming in thick and fast, and many of the teasers we've spotted in recent days have come from none other than OnePlus itself. It's Adreno from T for Tech. Here's everything we've heard about the OnePlus 6T date, including all the latest leaks and rumors, plus speculative release date and pricing details. Design and camera. After weeks of small teasers and leaks, the first legitimate-looking pictures of the OnePlus 6T have finally been published. WinFuture.de has posted shots of the smartphone in two color schemes, mirror black and midnight black. The mirror black option is glossy, while the midnight black model has a slightly lower key matte finish. The images also show off that much-discussed water drop notch, which is far smaller than the notch that can be found on the OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6 has a 16-megapixel f/1.7 sensor and a secondary 20-megapixel sensor around the back. We imagine we'll see a very similar setup on the OnePlus 6T. At the bottom of the image, you can just about make out the camera's dual LED flash as well as a notable void beneath that, where the rear-facing fingerprint sensor on the OnePlus 6 usually sits. Now for the other major confirmed news. OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus 6T will not feature a 3.5mm headphone jack. While this will inevitably upset some prospective buyers, it's not an enormous surprise. Specs and battery. There had been speculation that the 6T was going to be the first handset on the market to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU, the successor to the Snapdragon 845, but it now appears this will not the case. Pete Law all but confirmed that the handset will feature an 845 in his aforementioned October blog post. The image claims the 6T will be equipped with a 3700 mAh cell. The OnePlus 6, meanwhile, had a significantly smaller 3300 mAh cell, and we were neither particularly impressed nor particularly disappointed by its stamina. Screen unlock. The 6T, it has now been confirmed, will have an in-display fingerprint scanner instead. The company is calling the feature screen unlock, and hopefully it works reliably enough to serve as the main method of authentication. The screen is used as a light source to enhance the outline of your fingerprint, enabling the sensor to accurately read its exact dimensions and shape. We use a dedicated trust zone found in the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 to store your fingerprint information, which serves as an isolated virtual space for the sake of confidentiality. Whenever screen unlock is used, your fingerprint is compared to the information stored in the trust zone to ensure authenticity and actively defend against false patterns. Release date and price. Sketchages Topleak mentioned above claims the phone will actually come out on October 17th, and cost $569. Though once again, we take that with a generous pinch of salt. What feature are you hoping to see on the OnePlus 6T? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.